First, we're going to remove most of the fat and some of the skin off of these thighs and legs. And we're going to take the marinated chicken and we're going to take this jerk paste. You can pick this up at your Kroger's, H-E-B, or you can order it online if you look in the description below. But we're going to take this paste and put it on the chicken. And as you can see, the skin of the chicken is on the top side so that the fat and juice can run through your chicken. So once we got the paste on there, and this paste is really spicy, and they have the mild kind also. We're going to rub it in real good and make sure we get the paste under the skin. And make sure the skin part is facing up. Then I'm going to take a little water, which you don't have to do this. I just put maybe a little bit of water just to wet the bottom part of my pan, just in case it want to start sticking a little bit, and it won't. And then I use this Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now this is some of the best seasoning right here. I used it on my lamb yesterday. If you look at the video, I put it in the drop down or on the end card. So you sprinkle as much sauce seasoning as you want. It's up to you. Then I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400 degrees. And I'm going to cook this chicken for 35 minutes. That's 35 minutes, or until the temperature is 165 degrees internal. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and set my time. So we got it at 35 minutes. And after 35 minutes, we're going to come back and then we're going to check the internal temperature. As you can see, I'm going to check the internal temperature on the thickest part of the chicken. And 165, like I said, it'll start beeping. And if you want one of these thermostats, you can look in the description below also. So we at our right temperature. You want to make sure your chicken is at least 165 degrees. And then we're going to put it back in and we're going to brown the top of it. So we're going to put it on broil for about 2-3 minutes. See, I browned the top. And it looks burnt, but it's not burnt. That's just the seasoning, that jerk seasoning on the top. So my leftover stuff from yesterday, I cooked some fresh rice and my cornbread. And I'm going to slice into this chicken and show you what it looks like. Like I said, it's pretty spicy, but it's got good seasoning. You may want to get the mild seasoning. That's what it looks like. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.